Hello friends, welcome back to Vocab Builder. Our today's word is persuade, meaning. Persuade means to convince someone to do or believe something through reasoning, argument, or appeal. To persuade someone is to influence their decision or opinion through logical arguments, emotional appeal, or strong reasons. It's a skill used in everyday conversations, advertisements, debates, and even friendships. For example, if you tell your friend, "This restaurant has great reviews and is affordable. We should go there," you're trying to persuade them to choose that place. Synonyms: convince, influence, urge. Antonyms: dissuade, discourage, prevent. Let's see some examples. She persuaded her brother to try the new game. The salesman tried to persuade me to buy the more expensive phone. Nothing could persuade him to change his mind. And that's your word for today, persuade. A powerful word that shows up in conversations, sales, debates, and daily life. Now it's your turn. Can you make a sentence using persuade? Drop it in the comments below and show me how you use it. If you enjoyed learning, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vocab Builder for daily words that make your English smarter and sharper. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one.